In this video, I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys my top 25 daily tips and tricks that I personally find myself using day to day with my AirPods Pro, all in about 200 seconds. Let's begin. When you're wirelessly charging your AirPods, if you tap on the little LED light twice, the LED light indicator will go on. While listening to audio, if your buddy owns a pair of AirPods or supported Beat headphones, quickly bring down the control center, 3D press on this little airdrop icon, tap on it, share audio, and follow the on-screen instructions to begin sharing audio with your buddy's AirPods. While not in use, the charger case itself can act like a kickstand for your device. Don't have your phone nearby or an Apple Watch? You could ask Siri to know the battery life percentage of your AirPods. Misplace an AirPod and you want to quickly find them? You could actually ask Siri to request to send a loud pin noise for your AirPods to better locate them quicker. Not sure if these silicone tips are the correct size for you? There's actually a fitting test that you could take by simply going to your settings, Bluetooth, tap the little eye icon, and down here on the AirPod, select ear tip fit test, and begin. If you go back in your settings, Siri, and search, and announce messages, with this enabled, whenever you receive a message, Siri will actually read you the message and will allow you to reply right away. And then if you go into the phone tab, you can also enable a very similar feature, announce call. Now, whenever you select headphones only, if you're wearing your AirPods, Siri will actually read out loud your contact name or the telephone number that's reaching you. This way you don't have to grab your phone. If you go back into settings, accessibility, and AirPods, you can enable noise cancellation with one AirPod, and right up here you can actually fine tune the speed that you prefer. The correct way to quickly remove an AirPod is simply reach from the back and pull up. On the widget page, make sure you have the battery life widget enabled so you can actually see the battery life stats of your device right there. Utilize live listening for mechanic work or any other task you need to. In order to do this, simply go into your settings, control center, hit customize, hit this little ear plus, and there you go. Now it's on your control center. When taking apart the silicone tip to clean up the speaker grill, make sure you're not jamming it in, as it's an oval shape. You gotta match the oval shape with the oval shape of the speaker, and it simply clicks back in. In case you lose one of these silicone tips, you could go to Apple. They will sell you one of these for about $3. For the maximum battery life, turn off the earbud noise cancellation or transparency mode completely. This is estimated to give you 30 minutes more of audio playback time. You may also include this mode to be toggled whenever you're switching by holding the stem. If you simply go into your settings, Bluetooth, tap on the little eye icon, you can readjust it either the left or the right side, so noise control, check mark off, and now it's going to be able to toggle automatically as soon as you switch. Connecting your AirPods on your Mac is as easy as simply going on your Mac speaker and select the AirPods right there as soon as you open up the case. On your Apple TV, if you hold down the TV button, go to the airdrop icon, open up a case of AirPods, select them. Now the audio is streaming to your headphone without disturbing anybody around you. With hands-free Siri, you could use the AirPods to tell your AirPods to turn off your television. AirPods aren't just made for Apple devices. You can pair them on any device by simply holding down the pair button on the back, hold it for a few seconds until the white LED light begins flashing. When this is flashing, just go onto that device, discover devices, and you can pair right away. On an Android device, there's an awesome application that's called Assistant Trigger that allows you to maintain all the AirPods features to work perfectly fine on even Android. Disabling auto ear detection is a good idea when your buddy doesn't own a pair of headphones but they also want to listen in but they don't want to put the earbud fully inside their ear. Disabling this allows both of you guys to continue listening to the audio. Renaming your AirPods is as easy as simply just going into your Bluetooth setting, name, and there you go. If your AirPods are low on batteries but you want to continue listening to music, just take one out, put it inside a charging case. A 5-minute charge will last you an additional hour of audio playback time. You can repeat the same thing on the other one. And there you have it. Those were my top 25 tips and tricks, some hidden features that I use that I find myself using day to day on my AirPods Pro. So I'm sure you guys could benefit off them too. If you guys want to stick around, stay tuned for more. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. And definitely do check out these 2 videos for more very useful tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.